Therapeutic Research Center, TRC, is a leading provider of objective, evidence-based recommendations to physicians, pharmacists, medical personnel, and consumers. TRC Healthcare's Natural Medicines database is one of the most authoritative resources available on dietary supplements, natural medicines, and complementary alternative and integrative therapies. This tutorial is designed for librarians of all kinds, as well as other information professionals who might need to search for information contained in the Natural Medicines database. After viewing this tutorial, you should be able to perform simple and advanced searches in exploring the many features of this database. The Natural Medicines database can be trusted to provide objective and unbiased information. The team at TRC Healthcare uses an evidence-based approach. They systematically and critically review and appraise the literature. They use the most relevant and valid high-quality data, and they monitor, review, and update the database daily. They do not use traditional beliefs or folklore as evidence. They do not rely on product manufacturer promotional material. They do not base data on non-scientific material from internet sites, nor do they take any advertising or sponsorship. Here are some of the main features of the TRC Natural Medicines database. There is a simple keyword search bar, a single line text box to accept user input. There is an advanced search function that helps to refine your results. The tabs on top direct you to the key features of the entire database. Clicking on Databases opens this menu where you can access the following databases: Food, Herbs, and Supplements, Health and Wellness, Sports Medicine, Comparative Effectiveness, Manufacturers, Commercial Products, and Fixed Herbal Combinations. Clicking on Tools opens this menu where you can access numerous tools, including Interaction Checker, Nutrient Depletion, Effectiveness Checker, Adverse Effects Checker, Pregnancy and Lactation Checker, Charts, Natural MedWatch, and the FDA Advisory. When you select CE/CME Center, you gain access to practical, evidence-based information on using natural medicines for specific conditions and other topics. Each course and report provides accredited continuing education for physicians, pharmacists, NPs, PAs, and RDs. Selecting Colleagues Interact opens up a forum in which healthcare practitioners and information professionals can interact. The About Us tab reveals a list of the team members and their credentials, an outline of the editorial principles and process, a description of the database's features, user testimonials, other TRC products, and ways to contact them. The sidebar on the left provides a shortcut to some of the most often used tools of the database. With a subscription to the TRC Healthcare Natural Medicines database, you can access all the interactive tools, over 1,400 natural medicine monographs, an intuitive rating system for over 175,000 commercial brand products, and continuing education for condition and disease state clinical management using natural and alternative medicines. There are 22 different enterprise and individual subscription levels available. This is a truly valuable tool that will help you provide up-to-date, evidence-based natural medical information to those who depend on your research skills.